3D printing company. Print your imagination.
Hello, everyone. So sorry for getting late.
It's okay, Mr. Roshan. Fine. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Mr. Nitesh Vivek, sir, and Sachin, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Good morning.
So, रोशन सर, जैसे कि मैंने बताया था सर को 3D प्रिंटिंग मोल्डिंग के बारे में, बेसिकली वो मोल्ड्स कुछ बनवाना चाहते हैं अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग। उस पर वो कुछ उनके रिक्वायरमेंट्स आप समझ लीजिए, बात कर लीजिए। इसके अलावा बाकी भी जो मैंने आपको पॉइंटर्स भेजे थे उस पर डिस्कशन करना चाहते हैं। मिस्टर नितेश एंड मिस्टर विवेक, व्हाटएवर डाउट्स यू आर हैविंग, you can definitely discuss with Mr. Roshan. He has very good experience in this particular field. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. Good morning, Roshan.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, basically we are planning in our shape. Let me share my screen. This is how it looks. So we need some holdings like this, where our idea is basically the item what we need. It comes with different fruits and all, right? We wanted to have it in a similar shape. It's a banana, so it looks like a banana shape. If it is orange, should look like a shape. If it's strawberry, should look like a strawberry shape. So we need a molding, synthetic molding, something like this, so that we can prepare ice cream and put it in this shape, so that the output is something looking like this.
Got it.
Basically, use of silica, food grade silica.
Food grade silica, got it.
So you got the idea, right? What we are trying to say.
Completely. So I just have one question. In which technology you want to go, in FDM, in SLS, or in SLA? Because if you're looking for the silicon, you can't go with the FDM 3D printing. If you are aware about the technology of 3D printing, there are multiple technology working behind 3D printing.
Okay, so we don't have idea how the 3D model and all works, but what I want is the output is something like this. So you can guide us what is a better option for us in terms of cost, in terms of quality, and food graded. What are the processes we have?
Completely. So I just want to tell you there are mainly 3 to 4 technology working in India, 3 to 4 type of 3D printing working in India. First is FDM technology,
Okay.
Second one is SLA technology, third one is SLS, and fourth one is MJF.
MGF. What is the first one?
First one is FDM. FDM is just based on filament based, the cheaper one 3D printing technology. The people use this technology just to get prototype of their product, or if they have low quality of production, or they need some 100 or 1500 pieces between something, they can go with the FDM technology. But yes, in FDM technology, you will get some kind of layers visible on the models, because it's a layer based technology. So you will get some layers visible on the models. So I don't think FDM printing is going to work as per your requirement. For the prototype, you can go with the FDM technology. If you want to test your model, if you want to check your model, if you want to check your designs, then you can go with the FDM technology. Unless if you want a production from the 3D printed part, you can't go with the FDM technology. So FDM technology is not for you. So I just tell you, there is one more technology called vacuum casting.
What?
One more technology is there, that is called vacuum casting.
Okay.
If you are aware about it, about the vacuum casting. So vacuum casting is just how I tell you. In vacuum casting, what we do now, like if someone needs the good quality of product on a cheaper side, then we go with the vacuum casting. In vacuum casting, what we do, we used to make a mold of silicon.
Yeah.
We used to, like, there is one more option, that is injection molding. And the vacuum casting is cheaper than injection molding.
Okay.
The process is almost same, Just in injection molding, we need a iron mold, and in vacuum casting, we just need a product mold development with the silicon. So basically, we can say vacuum
Yeah.
casting is a low volume manufacturing process used to produce high quality plastic parts by pouring liquid of
Okay.
polyurethane resins into silicon molds. So in vacuum casting, what we do first process is we made a master pattern creation, that can be made with the SLA technology. Here the SLA technology comes in the picture. So by
Okay.
SLA technology, we're going to make a mold that will be a good finish.
Hmm.
After that, we're gonna make a silicon mold. First thing, the master is placed in the mold box. Silicon liquid is poured and cured. One mold can
Hmm.
typically produce 20 to 30 parts.
Sir, can you show some pics around this so we can get a better idea?
Sure, definitely. Just a second.
Anish, maybe you can stop presenting.
Plastic which you are saying it is a food grade plastic.
That depend on us, whatever we want to use. There is a food grade plastic available in the market for vacuum casting also. So it's totally depend on us what kind of plastic are we using. So I'm just sharing my screen. So if you can say, first thing we need to make the 3D model with the technology of SLA only, because we need the good finish. Hope you can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we are able to do it.
Yes, sir.
So this is a 3D model. First, we need to create the 3D model. After that, we need to 3D print it through the SLA or SLS technology. SLS and SLS technologies, the SLA is liquid based and the SLS is powder based technology. So in this technology, we will going to get a finished product just like a molded one. After the 3D printed product, we need to polish it and finish it. If there is any kind of marks available on the 3D printed model, so we need to polish it or finish it by sanding or by doing the post process thing. After that, the fourth process is silicon molding. We will place that mold in a bowl or some curing system, and then we can pour the silicon mold product. And after that, we do the vacuum casting. And the last part is whatever kind of product you want to create with that silicon mold, so that we can make it through it. If you want medical based, if you want a food grade, so this is the process of vacuum casting. So in the cheaper side, if you want to go, the best thing is you can go with the vacuum casting only, unless you are going with the 3D printing. 3D printing is going to costly for you. First thing, you will not going to get the quality of that product. If you're going with the vacuum casting, you will get the cheaper one as well as the quality of the product, and you will get the food grade material in vacuum casting. Unless in 3D printing, you will not going to get the food grade material.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Understood. So, how much does it cost for molding and all? Of course, based on the size, whatever, what are the shape you
So,
put, right?
sir, I honestly tell you that price cannot be explained in the first sight only. It depends on how much cavity you want in your mold, what is the size of the mold, how much material it's going to be used. It's totally depend on it. I can tell you the price of the 3D printing. Let's say if we are getting something made in SLA technology and the size is, let's say, 20 mm, so it will gonna cost you around 200 to 300 maximum in SLA
Okay.
technology. Let's
For
say
one for one mold, is it?
for one piece
For
of the product that you want to get mold. Let's
one piece in
say
the sense, one shape or one tray you see?
One piece,
one shape.
you can, I just tell you that with the one model, you can make a multiple tray. So you
Okay,
just,
okay. Mold with
the,
Okay, 3D printing and
I'm
creating base model is the cost. After that, we have to just make a replica out of it, right?
exactly, exactly. So I'm just telling you that for the masterpiece, you will gonna cost around, maximum will go on the costing around 500 only for the masterpiece. With the masterpiece, you can make a multiple cavity of that product that you want to get mold.
got it, got it. Understand. So how does that work? The silicon mold out, how much does it cost? You say the
Uh,
initial cost, the masterpiece cost you 500.
if I tell you like, let's say we are going to make a tray of 6 pieces, 6 cavity of that
Hmm.
ice cream. So
Hmm,
it
hmm.
will gonna cost you around 20,000. In 20,000, you will gonna get the mold also. You will gonna got the masterpiece also in SLA printing, and in 20,000, I guess 6 sample also you can get it.
Okay, so for 6 samples, it might cost around 20,000.
20,000 exactly,
Oh,
and it
okay.
can vary according to the market in which area you are located. I'm just telling you about the
I see.
prices of Noida only.
Understood, understood. Okay, okay. So yes, if we need more, then we have to spend more
Exactly.
uh, money on that. Okay, okay.
Exactly. So, if you're looking for the food grade material, you will not going to get in 3D printing. If someone telling you that yes, I have the food grade material in 3D printing, don't go with that.
Mm-hmm.
I have the experience of in this market of around 8 to 9 years, and there is no material available in the 3D printing market that is called to be food grade.
Understood. So we have to go with the vacuum casting.
Vacuum casting is the best option.
Understood, understood. Okay. Sachin Vivek, any questions? Roshan sir, I want to understand how should we approach now? Let's say we have those requirement rates. Let's say we have got different five fruits to start with,
Hmm.
and how should we approach the vendor?
In 3D printing market or in the your ice cream
If
field?
you suggested vacuum casting, right? Say if you want to go with the vacuum casting, how should we approach
You are talking about the vendors only, no? How to get to
the
the
vendors?
vendors?
Let's say we found one vendor or you or whoever it is, and let's say we want to approach them.
You just have to get your 3D printing model ready. First thing you need your 3D printing model ready. That is should be in the format of STEP, step,
STP, okay.
STEP, and after that you have to consult
But
with the.
that 3D model,
Mhm.
yeah, but that 3D model designing and everything should be part of that molding process, no?
Exactly, exactly, exactly.
Okay, yeah.
So
So
okay, we have to decide what is the size, how should it look like, and we should work on the 3D image first.
it's totally
Once that
depend on
is
you.
done, then molding is done. If you are satisfied, then we should go with the next step, taking a
Exactly,
final
exactly.
product. Because that process is very costly. The next step is very costly. Initial step, we can do some experiments
So the for the
because it's a
experience, for the experiment process, for the prototyping process, I tell you, you just go
hmm.
with the FDM technology only, just to testing purpose. You can go with the FDM technology. Hardly FDM technology will
Hmm.
going to cost you 20 or 30 rupees.
You
So
can
if
do all kind of experiments
all
over
kind
there.
of
Once
experiment,
we are
you can go
finalized,
with the FDM 3D
then we
printing.
should go with the vacuum testing.
Exactly. Then you have to go with the SLA printing. You have to check how in
Yes.
SLA printing your product is going to be. So you have to at least invest 500,000 or 2,000 initially for the testing purpose.
Okay, understood. Yeah, yeah. So basically, this SLA and FDM will give you the prototype, the master copy. From that, we have to go with the injection molding to have a
For the
final
vacuum
product.
casting, for the vacuum casting,
Sorry, vacuum casting. Yeah,
huh,
vacuum casting.
injection molding is going to be too high if you are just on an initial stage of your business. Then injection molding is
Hmm.
going to be too high for you.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
When you have the customer of like you need a production of around 10,000, 5,000 ice cream per month, then you can go with the injection molding. Then you can invest in the mold, and in investment of the mold is going to cost you around 5 to 10 lakh rupees initially. So if you have the recurring
Understood.
customer of
Because
10,000, 5,000
because
pieces,
Yeah, think of 5 fruits, then it cost around 1 lakh only, right? But just to get a mold,
For
final.
injection molding.
I don't know. Overall, let's even if we go with the vacuum testing, with SLA
In
printing, we are
vacuum
telling
casting, hardly
copy.
you were gonna spend around, let's say, 80,000 to 1 lakh maximum. But in injection molding,
One.
it's going to cost you around 80 to 8 lakh to 10 lakh in between for the mold only.
Oh, okay.
But
Actually, can you give a what's the exact difference actually vacuum testing, injection molding? Is it the quality of the final output?
in injection molding, you will gonna get a mold of iron.
Iron, huh?
Iron mold you will gonna get. But yes, you will only have to spend on mold. As I'm saying that you have to invest around 8 to 10 lakh rupees on molding only. Then output
Huh.
will be the cheaper one. Like maximum output will be around, let's say, 10 paise or 20 paise maximum per piece.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
So the production cost going to be lower in injection molding.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
So this is the difference between vacuum 3D printing, vacuum casting, and injection molding. In injection molding, you just have to invest in mold. After that, the output production going to be in the lower side. But in vacuum casting
Oh,
and in 3D printing, it's still high.
But we can't prepare ice cream in iron mold, correct? It should be a stainless. Yes, yes, correct.
So there are multiple kind of material available. I'm just telling about the iron only, but there are multiple kind of material available that is food grade.
okay.
It will directly depend on your cost. Na? Again, if you are preparing with iron ore or if you are preparing with stainless steel,
Definitely. I'm just
it
telling
will
you that
impact our cost.
I just told you the price of iron mold only. If you wanna go with the other material, might be the prices gonna on a lower side also. So
Yeah. Yeah.
I just
Okay,
insist
got it.
in an initial stage you should go with the vacuum casting only. Don't trust on 3D printing and don't go with the higher side in injection molding. Just go with the vacuum casting only.
Okay. Okay. This is good. Vivek, searching any?
Not working for searching.
And I'm still telling you, if anyone going to tell you in 3D printing market that yes, this product is food grade, food safe, don't trust on
Hmm.
them. So as far as
Understood.
my
Understood.
information in 8 to 9 years, I haven't seen any kind of material that is food grade in India.
Understood. Understood. Hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
So after that, we will.
I don't have any question.
Okay.
So you have any kind of questions, if you need any kind of help, you can connect with the with the IIDD team and they will get connected with you.
Yeah. Yeah.
If you need any kind of help, any kind of or if you need any kind of initial 3D printing from our side, just do let me know. That will be free of cost for you. If you need any kind of help in designing side also, you can connect with us.
Okay. Priyanshi, how should we go? I mean, does
Mhm.
service provide the vendor information for us so that we can talk to them?
Okay, you can share this request. Definitely, we can work. And as sir was saying, that he can also help you in this because he can also working in 3D molding and printing.
Correct.
He's not just a consultant; he's also working in this field particularly. So, if you want, you can go with him as well. It's up to you, sir.
Sure.
Yes.
Roshan sir, yeah. So maybe we have the same. You know our requirement. Right? Maybe we can work together to get a final
Definitely, sir.
product.
Definitely, but still, I'll tell you that if you need a prototyping thing, you can get from me also. That will be free of cost. But again, if you're going with
Ah,
the vacuum casting, you just search for the local vendors only.
okay. Okay.
You just get connected with the local vendors only. They will gonna help you better because you have the pictures in your hand only. From Noida,
And
I guess you are from Bangalore, if I'm not wrong.
okay. So maybe
So
can help.
also,
Uh,
one more thing, Nitish, like as we manufacturers are different, I say manufacturers,
Hmm.
can manufacturers bear some cost, some percentage cost?
So honestly, it totally depends on them.
Okay.
It's totally depends on them. That is the
yeah.
thing you have to tackle in the market. How you gonna how you gonna negotiate with the manufacturer, that is totally depends on you how you negotiate with them.
Mm-hmm. Um, Basically, next step we need help on marketing our prototype, right? Our ice cream. Or should we go with that? Will Roshan sir help us, or are we connect with any other experts?
Okay. Roshan sir, would you please explain about the marketing and everything that I have shared you all the pointers? You can explain it from your end to Mr. Nitish.
Just give me 1 minute, let me check the pointers.
Sure. Nitish, he can help you in that.
Okay, sure. Yeah.
Yes.
Second, like basically, Roshan sir will help us on how to start on marketing. Okay. That what we have. Discuss that stuff.
Have you got those certificates of food grade certification like that? Have you got any kind of certification?
Your voice is not clear.
Or have you got any kind of food grade certification like FDA, FSSI, BIS equivalent something?
Not yet, not yet, not yet.
Got it. So first we have to work with the food grade certification, that is FDA, LFGB or BIS equivalent or FSSI.
Okay, can you just name it, sir? I'll just note it down.
That is FDA,
FDA, yeah.
LFGB,
NFGB.
and BIS. These three are equivalent. If you get any of one of these, that will be perfect.
So
And
what about FSSI? FSSI.
that is the most important thing in the market if you are selling any kind of food grade things. So you need
Okay.
FSSI first things. First thing is, if you don't have these three certificates, that will still work. But if you don't have FSSI certificate, then you can't sell anything in the central or in the state license.
Okay. So basically, we need these licenses. So what we're thinking is, once we are ready with the prototype and all, then we thought of applying to this, because we need to share the information as well, right? So what are the materials, ingredients are
Definitely. You can
gonna
connect with
use?
some local CA. He will definitely
Uh-huh.
gonna help you. I'll just tell you that for each and everything, go with the local vendors only, unless you are searching for the vendors in other cities.
Yeah.
Yes, and one more thing, Mr. Nitish, I want to add that if you want to go for FSSI license, IID can also help you with FSSI license. And
Okay.
for the rest of them, we can check whether we can help or not, because we have our CA team, so might be they can help you with that as well.
Uh,
So
Sure.
yes,
Priyanshu, just
so
sorry
you can
to
discuss this with the CA as well. I will try to arrange a meeting with the CA for all the licenses if we can help, or otherwise for the FSSI, I can guide you after this meeting. Okay.
Sure. Yeah. It works.
Priyanshu, just a second. You can, if you have the CA and he can provide the FSSI license, then he can provide all the food grade certification. Definitely, he can
Uh,
provide you all the food grade certification.
yes, but there are some norms with our company, so that's why I cannot tell right now whether they can help or not. But yes, we can help in FSSI, but for the rest, I have to check with my seniors. After
Definitely.
their confirmation, I can definitely provide the information with you.
Perfect.
Sure. That
And
works.
we also have some PPT we have made for the food grade things, and like we have worked with the food grade company also, and we used to make mold for them also. Actually, we are into injection molding also, so we used to make mold for them. So if they need, I can share you all the information, what you should look for, what you can go with the things, and what are the license you need to go with the go in the food market. So I'll share you all the details with Priyanshu, and he will share with you. That will be easy to understand for you.
Sure.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir, after, let's say we got all the license and all, so how should we jump in? Because it's a first experience for all three members.
Definitely. I
And
honestly tell you,
you saw
your
our product,
region is
right?
Bangalore, I
Yeah, you
guess, no?
saw our product things we are doing, right? So wanted to know how to start, or where do we start in How do we approach to the market first?
So first thing you have to do that, please go attend as many as expo, as many as event you can.
Okay.
I'm not
What kind
telling
of event?
any kind of event, like any kind of exhibitions, any kind of expo, as no one knows from where you
Uh,
can
uh,
get the
uh,
customer. If I tell you about myself only, I have started this company in 2021 and I have made
mhm,
like, मतलब मैं आपको बताऊं, मैं बिल्कुल बेशरम बन गया था जब मैंने अपना स्टार्ट किया था। मैं हर इवेंट में जा रहा था, हर कस्टमर को अपना विजिटिंग कार्ड दे रहा था मैं। मुझे नहीं पता था कि कौन कहाँ से
mhm,
मिलेगा, बट आई हैव tried to meet each and every customer, even he is 18-year
mhm,
old guy or even he is a 60 years old uncle, and I have
okay,
communicated
okay.
with everyone. Don't know from where we can going to get the customer, and today onwards I have ISRO and DRDO with me. So you
Mhm,
have to
mhm, mhm.
approach in every expo, in every event, just showcase your product that yes, we are making something like this, and you have to make something like that. You have to get something what makes you different from other brands. You should have to work on it.
Mhm, mhm,
What, like there is Amul also. So why not people going
mhm.
to buy Amul? Why they will go with you? So you have to make something like that. Yes, हमारे प्रोडक्ट में ये चीज है, उनके प्रोडक्ट में ये चीज नहीं है. So you have to work on that also. And honestly, you should go in every event, especially in the school event, in colleges, in institutes. You have to go in that. So first customer definitely you're gonna get with the
Voice,
hello.
so voice is breaking.
So I'm telling you that you have to go in every event, whatever kind of event, whatever kind of gathering is going to be there. You just attend, just give your visiting card, explain them. I agree that in 10 people, maximum 2 or 3 people going to understand your things. One people will gonna execute on your things, but still go in every
Mhm,
event,
mhm.
go in every expo, go in every exhibitions, and meet people how many you can.
Okay, okay.
And the
And
best thing,
okay. And what do you think of pricing strategy? How should we go with the pricing strategy here in our
एंड
ice cream?
एंड आइसक्रीम डेफिनेटली आपको मार्केट से तो कम रखना पड़ेगा स्टार्टिंग में। लोगों को पहले आदत
Okay.
लगाओ अपने प्रोडक्ट की, जैसे जियो ने किया था कि पहले आदत लगाई लोगों को, पूरा मार्केट को कैप्चर किया उन्होंने, उसके बाद अपने प्राइसेस बढ़ाए उन्होंने। तो
Hmm.
आपको भी यही प्लान लेना पड़ेगा कि पहले मार्केट को अप्रोच करो आप, मार्केट में पहले एस्टेब्लिश हो जाओ, और एस्टेब्लिश आप एक ही तरह से हो सकते हो, बीइंग इन द इंडियन मार्केट यू हैव टू लोअर योर प्राइस। पहले 2-3 महीने तो आप मत सोचो कि आपको वहां से प्रॉफिट आने का है, आप सोच लो कि आपने वो इन्वेस्टमेंट कर दिया है। लोगों को आदत लगाओ, लोगों को फ्रीबीज दो, जैसे आप इवेंट्स में जा रहे हो, कहीं जा रहे हो, तो वहां पे आप लोगों को फ्रीबीज भी दे सकते हो कि आप ये
Correct.
टेस्ट करके देखो। और कहीं अगर गैदरिंग नहीं हो रहा है, सबसे बेस्ट ऑप्शन आपका तो फूड ग्रेड थिंग्स है ना, सबसे बेस्ट ऑप्शन आप मॉल में आप एक्टिविटीज करो, वहां पे लोगों को टेस्ट करवाओ।
Hmm. Hmm.
सबसे बेस्ट थिंग है आपके पास मॉल है, आप बैंगलोर से बिलोंग करते हो, मॉल्स में जाओ, आप मॉल्स में जाओ, कॉर्पोरेट के बाहर जाओ, वहां पे एक छोटा सा स्टैंड ही लगा के लोगों को फ्री आइसक्रीम्स दो। एक बार वो हिंदी में नहीं कहावत है कि शेर के मुंह पे खून लगाना होता है, एक बार आप टेस्ट तो लगा के देखो, लोग कहीं नहीं जाएंगे अमूल के पास, अगर आपका टेस्ट उन लोगों से बेटर है तो।
Hmm. Hmm.
So for testing, do we need to set up any R&D team, or like we can at a starting phase we can get a market flavor whichever is running in the Bangalore?
Sir, you should go with the market flavor only, but there is something you have to do that makes your product different from other. Like अब मैं आपको बताऊं, जैसे अब हम मलाई कुल्फी आती है, मलाई कुल्फी में सबका एक ही फ्लेवर होता है, आप उसमें कुछ एक्स्ट्रा ऐसा डाल के दो ना कि लोगों को टेस्ट अलग लगे। तो आप मार्केट फ्लेवर के साथ ही जाओ, बट या तो नाम उसका चेंज करके रखो, कुछ नाम आप ऐसा यूनिक रखो कि लोगों को नाम पढ़ के ही आ जाए कुछ कि नहीं यार, हाँ ये थोड़ा सा अच्छा लग रहा है, खा के देखते हैं, भले टेस्ट डोंट नो कैसा होगा, बट नाम पढ़ के लोगों को लिटरली लगता है कि हाँ यार नाम तो अच्छा है, ले लेते हैं।
Okay.
हाँ, तो या तो नाम पे आप सबसे सबसे बड़ी चीज है कि आप नाम पे काम कीजिए। नाम पे आप जितना काम करेंगे, नाम जितना आप अच्छा रखेंगे अपने ब्रांड का, उतना बेटर होगा। अब जैसे अगर आप मेरे कंपनी का नाम देख सकते हो, मैंने अपनी कंपनी का ही नाम 3D प्रिंटिंग कंपनी रख दिया है। That is a Google friendly name. Anyone going to search on Google, they will just gonna search for the 3D printing company only, and ultimately they are gonna land on my page only. तो अब ऐसा कुछ देखो कि जो मार्केट से अलग हो बट लोगों के जुबान पे रह सके वो नाम। ऐसा नाम देखो, आप कुछ ब्रांड देखो। बच्चों के लिए अलग प्रोडक्ट रखो, अडल्ट्स के लिए अलग प्रोडक्ट्स रखो, उसमें बच्चों के लिए कुछ रखो, जैसे कार्टून वाइज हो गया, कुछ भी ऐसा शेप हो उस आइसक्रीम का कि हाँ लोग बच्चे देखते ही उसको लेके आ जाए कि हाँ, क्योंकि मार्केट में आई डोंट थिंक ऐसा कोई प्रोडक्ट है अभी अपनी इंडियन मार्केट में कि हाँ बच्चों के लिए है कि हाँ आइसक्रीम का कुछ शेप अलग है या कुछ कार्टूनाइज शेप है या कुछ एनिमेटेड शेप है उसका। तो ऐसा कुछ तो नहीं है मार्केट में, तो आप उस पे भी काम कर सकते हो। कुछ या तो आप टेस्ट ऐसा लेके आओगे जो हमारे बचपन का टेस्ट होता था, जैसे हमारे लिए वो चुस्की टाइप आती थी, वैसा कुछ टेस्ट लेके आ सको आप। तो देयर इज मल्टीपल थिंग दैट कैन मेक you different from the market.
Okay. And what do you think? Should we go with the targeting? Let's say we showed one product, right? The shape-based ice creams. So should we go with that only, or generally adult people they usually take the scoops, family packs? Should we go with that as well? So multiple things at a time, or should we go with, let's say, focused on kids only, shape-based? Then you
ऑनेस्टली
gradually
अगर
go
आपको मैं
with,
बताऊं ना, तो अभी आप क्वांटिटी पे नहीं क्वालिटी पे ध्यान दीजिए थोड़ा, अगर आपका स्टार्टिंग फेज है तो।
हाँ,
क्वांटिटी आप अपना ये तो बाद में बढ़ा सकते हो, क्वालिटी आपको जितने भी मल्टीपल टाइप्स होंगे वो बाद में बढ़ा सकते हो, बट पहले अगर आप क्वालिटी बढ़ा लोगे ना, तो एक बार खाने की चीज ऐसी चीज है ना कि कस्टमर अगर एक बार आपके पास आ गया ना, वो दूसरे के पास जाना ही नहीं चाहता है कभी। मैं अगर खुद का अपना टेस्ट बताऊं तो अगर मैं मदर डेयरी का आइसक्रीम खा रहा हूं तो मुझे अमूल का कभी पसंद आएगा ही नहीं, अनलेस कि कुछ अलग मिले मुझे। तो वो अलग
okay.
करने का कोशिश है, और स्टार्टिंग में इफ यू वांट टू टारगेट, जस्ट गो टारगेट किड्स ओनली, क्योंकि आइसक्रीम मार्केट में बच्चों से बढ़िया कस्टमर कोई नहीं है। क्योंकि बच्चों को आइसक्रीम खाने में शर्म नहीं आती, बड़ों को शर्म आती है कि रोड पे खड़े होकर कैसे आइसक्रीम खाएंगे हम, बट बच्चे खा सकते हैं।
Okay, okay.
टारगेट द किड्स ओनली। इवेंट्स आपको करना है या आपको कुछ एक्टिविटीज करनी है, स्कूल के बाहर कीजिए, कॉलेजेस के बाहर कीजिए, जेनजीज को पकड़िए। जेनजीज को जितना आप टारगेट कर सकते हैं ना अभी सबसे बेस्ट है, किड्स एंड जेनजीज, दे आर वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ इट। और अपना अगर आपको मार्केटिंग रखना तो सबसे बेस्ट है आप अपना सोशल मीडिया जितना स्ट्रॉन्ग रख सकते हैं आप उतना स्ट्रॉन्ग रखिए, क्योंकि सबसे पहला चीज आज लोग को ध्यान में आता है कि इनका सोशल मीडिया प्रेजेंस कैसा है। तो
Okay.
ये सारी चीजें आप कर सकते हैं। तो इनिशियली आप टारगेट कीजिए बच्चों को, स्कूल के बच्चों को, कॉलेजेस के बच्चों को, उनको टारगेट कीजिए कि थोड़ा सा अलग कुछ फ्लेवर ला दीजिए। अब बच्चों के लिए मैंने आपको बताया लायन का शेप ला दीजिए, मिकी माउस का शेप ला दीजिए आप आइसक्रीम में, तो वो उनको ज्यादा अट्रैक्ट करेगा।
Those shapes are possible via this 3D molding.
डेफिनेटली सर,
Yeah,
डेफिनेटली डेफिनेटली
okay.
in 3D printing, I just tell you that even from a needle making company to a plane making company, everyone needs 3D printing initial stage in initial stage.
Okay. Correct, correct.
So nothing is possible without 3D printing nowadays.
Correct.
So try different shapes, try different taste, जो भी हमारा पुराने जमाने का टेस्ट होता था। इफ यू रिमेम्बर कि हम पुराने जमाने में जो हमारा वो काला खट्टा आइसक्रीम टाइप आता था, काला खट्टा आता था, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट फ्लेवर्स आते थे, वो अभी के टाइम के आइसक्रीम में आपको मिलेगा भी नहीं। वो आई डोंट थिंक वो ऐसा कुछ मिलेगा।
Understood, understood.
तो ऐसा
So
कुछ
next question actually I have is while going through all the existing ice cream brands, right? When we check with the ingredients, it is not something. Some are like 20% good, some are 40% good, some are 60% good. I mean, when it comes to healthy ingredients,
things ना,
most of the people are putting the flavors, artificial flavors, not putting actual one. Some are using palm oil instead of milk. I mean, we went through different categories and all. But let's say if you want to make it more healthy, actually putting like actual milk, actual natural flavors instead of artificial flavors, right?
Exactly.
Then we can see the cost comes automatically goes above the range. Example, Amul, if you see for 100 ml, it might cost 80 rupees or 90 rupees.
Exactly.
But there are some brand Agandas and all, it costs around 300 rupees just for 100 ml because they're using a pure one.
Exactly.
So should we go with the ultimate one, pure one, or
So
should be in the middle,
I
or
just
how
tell
should we
you,
project?
make your brand premium.
Huh.
Make your brand premium, and the in the brand, if you want to make your brand premium, you have to give the good product.
Then you
And
have to
for
put
the
all
good
the
product,
good stuffs,
good
natural stuffs,
good things
right?
only.
So
Definitely.
then let's say the cost comes, let's say for us maybe in starting 300, 400 if we put for 100 ml. So do you have a market for such people also?
सर आई ऑनेस्टली टेल यू, अमूल, मदर डेयरी, आप अगर
हाँ.
मॉल में जाओगे ना तो मॉल में कोई अमूल और मदर डेयरी खाता हुआ नजर नहीं आएगा। कभी आप नोटिस करके देखना, ये अमूल, मदर डेयरी, ये ना जो पुराने लोग हैं ना वही खा रहे हैं। लोग अब
Yeah,
ब्रांड की
yeah.
तरफ नहीं जा रहे हैं, लोग अब क्वालिटी की तरफ जा रहे हैं।
Okay. हाँ.
तो अगर आपने एक बार उनके जुबान पे टेस्ट लगा दिया ना कि नहीं आपका टेस्ट बेटर है, तो वो कहीं नहीं जाएंगे। और ऑनेस्टली बताऊं, अभी अमूल, मदर डेयरी बहुत कम लोग खा रहे हैं, बहुत कम लोग खा रहे हैं अभी,
Okay.
क्योंकि मल्टीपल ब्रांड्स आ गए हैं मार्केट में।
हम्म.
मल्टीपल ब्रांड्स के साथ क्यों लोग जा रहे हैं? क्योंकि उनको टेस्ट मिल रहा है। वो जो टेस्ट उनको कहीं नहीं मिल पा रहा था, वो टेस्ट उनको वहां पे मिल रहा है, क्योंकि उनको पता चल रहा है कि हाँ, जो हम पुरानी चीजें खा रहे थे वो किस चीज का बना हुआ, और जो हम नई चीजें खा रहे हैं वो किस चीज का बना हुआ है।
So basically, you're saying if you put a right effort, there's a market for this premium as
डेफिनेटली
well.
पीपल वोंट गोना चेक एनी काइंड ऑफ प्राइस कि यार ये इतना महंगा क्यों है। अगर उनको टेस्ट मिल रहा है तो डेफिनेटली वो उसके साथ ही जाएंगे।
Correct.
लोगों के लिए प्राइस बिल्कुल भी वो नहीं करता है, वेरी नहीं करता है जब वो उनके हेल्थ पे आता है। अगर लोग एक ब्लड टेस्ट मार्केट में आप जाओगे तो 200 रुपए में हो जाता है, और एक ब्लड टेस्ट 2000 रुपए में भी होता है। तो लोगों को उसका फर्क
Correct.
पता चलता है ना कि 1000 रुपए और 200 वाले ब्लड टेस्ट में मुझे क्या मिल रहा है और 2000 वाले में मुझे क्या मिल रहा है।
People will check.
डेफिनेटली। तो अगर उनको टेस्ट मिल रहा है उस चीज पर, उनको दिख रहा है कि उस पे क्लियरली आप उस पे इंग्रेडिएंट्स लिख के दीजिए। अभी आप ज्यादा पैकेजिंग देखेंगे ना तो वहां पे इंग्रेडिएंट्स इतने छोटे छोटे लिखे रहते हैं ना कि लोगों को पता भी नहीं चलता है। आप
Correct.
अपने पैकेजिंग में ऐसा कर दीजिए ना कि ब्रांड का नाम आपका छोटा हो, आप उसमें इंग्रेडिएंट्स क्या क्या यूज करा आपको बड़े बड़े में लिख दीजिए। देखिए कैसे लोग भागेंगे उसके पीछे।
Okay.
तो ये सारा कुछ रिसर्च कीजिए आप मार्केट में कि हम मार्केट में क्या है, सबको सिमिलर बेच रहे हैं। अमूल का पैकेट देखिए, मदर डेयरी का पैकेट देखिए, बाकी आइसक्रीम के भी पैकेजिंग देखिए आप। ब्रांड का नाम सबसे ऊपर रहता है। जो मेन चीज होती है, हेल्थ रिलेटेड चीज होती है, वो सारी को छुपी हुई होती है। आप हेल्थ रिलेटेड चीज बाहर निकाल दीजिए ना, डेफिनेटली आएंगे लोग
Correct.
आपके पास।
Correct.
बाकी आपको अगर इसके अलावा भी कुछ हेल्प चाहिए होगा तो आई एम अवेलेबल एवरी टाइम। और इनिशियल स्टेज में
Yeah.
आपको जितना भी प्रोटोटाइप चाहिए मुझे बताइएगा, मैं आपको यहाँ से करके दूंगा। दैट विल बी फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट फॉर यू।
Sure. Sachin, Vivek, any questions?
No, not just right now. I don't have any.
Okay. Looks good then for now.
Yeah.
And I
So
hope I
now,
have tried to solve every questions.
sorry, sir. Sorry.
And I have tried to solve every questions, I hope.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, sir, definitely.
So Priyanshi, whenever they need more consultation or any kind of help or any kind of prototype from myself, so you can do let me know, and we will provide their initial prototyping just free of cost on behalf of
Sure,
IID.
sure, sir, sure. Is there anything else, Mr. Nitish, Vivek, and Sachin, sir, you wants to discuss, or we can wrap up this meeting now?
Yeah, we can wrap up the call. Probably we'll connect again. Again, I will inform you so that you can attend the call.
Sure. Definitely. Whenever you need a meeting, you can drop your concerns, and we will arrange a meeting for you with Mr. Roshan.
Sure.
Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, Roshan, sir, for
Thank you,
giving your
everyone.
precious time. Thank you, Mr. Sachin, Nitish, sir, and Vivek, sir. Have a great day, everyone.